And I would like to invite Mr. Asim Khan. Can you please unmute your mic and tell me about yourself? आप लोग एक एक करके अपना mic unmute. जी आसिम.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
My name is Asim Khan. I am from Malakan KPK.
Okay.
I am graduated as a civil engineer from UT Peshawar in 2016. I also completed my MSc in urban infrastructure engineering from UT Peshawar.
Okay.
Currently, I am working in Pedo project as a project manager.
Okay.
In MSK International.
So why today you joined this session, Primavera P6? What is thought in your mind?
Sarji, I am working in a construction company as a project manager, and I have planned to go to the KSA.
Okay.
And work there as a planning engineer, sir.
Okay. So motive is to get job career in Gulf region, right? Thank you very much, Asim, to join this session, and I wish you all the best. कि आप इस skill को सीखें. Not only this skill, but another thing which is very important for engineers to learn job career development, like how you can understand this secret के Gulf region के अंदर industry किस तरीके से आपको hire करेगी, and we have to learn everything. So next, please, Mohammad Ashraf, can you please unmute your mic and tell me about yourself?
Hello, sir. Myself, Mohammad Ashraf, sir. I am a junior planning engineer working in oil and gas company in UAE, sir.
Okay.
So I just joined this class to know about planning regarding oil and gas construction and maintenance projects, sir. So I just want to develop my career in planning engineering sector department. So I just want to know more knowledge about this regarding planning. So since I gone through your video and you having vast experience in planning, so I just want to learn the skill and make a good career in planning departments.
Okay, Ashraf, as you mentioned that you are already working right now in the oil and gas field. So what is the benefit to learn skills like planning, control, Primavera P6 for engineers?
So it is very important. So like in planning, you need specific skill sets like the scheduling, the using Primavera.
So is there any benefit you see that if you do this, then you will get something, okay, this is good?
Yeah, as far as I know, sir, like yes, if you have good skill sets, there is a good career growth in like if you're having knowing the planning skill sets and how to do scheduling in Primavera. So you have the if you have the good skill set, you will have the opportunity to grow in the companies.
Okay, that's wonderful, Ashraf. Thank you very much for joining. And next, please, Abdurrahman, can you please unmute your mic and please share your profile with me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, sir. I hope you are doing good. It's me, Abdul Rahman Khan. I've done mechanical engineering from NFC IT Multan. From the 1.5 year, I'm working in the fertilizer sector as a maintenance engineer. But now I was thinking to switch the field towards the planning and to provide the services virtually as well. So therefore, I have been enrolled in this course and I'm aligned towards GCC.
Okay.
Therefore,
So any homework you have done to move to GCC, like you are mentioning that you want to have a plan to move to GCC. Any specific plan?
Not yet, but I think so. My experience of the maintenance from the last 1 year and now planning, it would help me in the future.
All right. Okay, that's great. So it actually doesn't matter, Abdurrahman, at any stage of engineering career, what matters actually, whenever you are going to start your struggle to pursue job career in GCC, then it takes some time actually. It's not like
Yes.
overnight, like maybe 10% people have that much good luck or mamu chachu in that country and they will get a visa. But the fact is that there are a lot of things we have to fill, like we need to know about the residence there, maybe on visit visa, we are trying to go there, good CV preparation, good job interview, because a lot बहुत सारे एफर्ट के बाद आपको एक अदर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है। बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, 5-6 रिजेक्शंस के बाद दे लर्न, but a lot of people are
Yeah.
wasting their opportunity in first attempt. Why? Because they are already prepared. So what I call
Yes.
that one is preparation. So keep trying for GCC. That is really good thing, because you are
Thank you
going
so
to
much.
get.
Yes, you're right, and I hope that you are going to provide the long-term mentorship to us if
Exactly.
the classes are over, and we will be getting a certificate as well as discussed with your
Yes, yes,
admin officer.
yes,
Thank
yes.
you so much. Means a lot.
Thank you very much. So next, please, Anwar Zaid, can you please अपना माइक ओपन करें और मुझे बताएं अपने प्रोफाइल के बारे में। आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बता सकते हो, इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी इंग्लिश में बताना है, लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर एक्चुअली हैविंग दैट। सो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के ऊपर भी इस सेशन में बात करेंगे, जो हमारा ऑनगोइंग सेशन होगा, ताकि बहुत सारे लोगों का मसला होता है, बट कीप योरसेल्फ वेरी क्लियर, जो भी लैंग्वेज आप इस्तेमाल करें। थैंक यू।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, उम्मीद है सर आप खैरियत से
क्या
होंगे
हाल है,
सर।
ठीक है?
शुक्र है सर, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आप खैरियत से हैं सर।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बेहतरीन।
सर मेरा नाम मनोर ज़ैब है, ताल्लुक लोअर दीर की बीके से सर।
ओके।
और 2016 में मैंने ग्रेजुएशन की यूटी पेशावर से और मास्टर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में किया सर यूनिवर्सिटी पेशावर से।
ओके।
अभी सर मैं जॉब कर रहा था, ये टेलीकॉम इंजीनियरिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी है, उसमें मैं प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर काम कर रहा था। तो असल में सर अक्सर साइटों पे ये है कि जितने भी जॉब्स वगैरह है तो बड़े मतलब ऐसे है कि काम ज़्यादा है और उसमें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, लेकिन जो स्किल्स होते हैं वो ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं होते। प्लानिंग के साइड पे ऐसे है कि एक स्किल यूज़ हो रहा है और पूरे प्रोजेक्ट को कंट्रोल कर रहा है। तो अभी प्रोग्राम बनाया है सर कि इंशाल्लाह कोर्स को कंप्लीट करके नेक्स्ट जाएंगे सऊदीया की तरफ। तो उधर भी जितने साथियों के साथ रब्ता हुआ, उन्होंने कहा कि इधर जो मतलब अभी जिस चीज़ का टाइम चल रहा है तो प्राइमरी प्लानिंग का टाइम चल रहा है, अक्सर इसकी अपॉर्चुनिटी ज़्यादा भी है और एक ही है कि वाइट कलर जॉब है, तो उस वजह से आए हैं और आपके कोर्स को ज्वाइन किए।
Okay, Anwar, thank you for joining, and I wish you all the best for your next future planning and all that. So next, please, Mr. Zulfikar Hassan, can you please unmute your mic and tell me about yourself? Ji.
Assalamualaikum Waqar sir and all colleagues. My name is Zulfikar Hassan Chuptai, and I did my engineering in 2001, and since then I'm with Descon. Presently, it's Descon Qatar.
Okay.
And in Qatar, I am a lead engineer, or you can say the shutdown manager for the shutdowns. The Descon has contracts for 5 years for Qatar Fertilizers, Qatar Petroleum, Qatar Energy, Qatar Gas, and different oil and gas industries in Qatar. So presently, I am leading shutdowns over here. These days, I am in Pakistan. I just completed my shutdown 3 days ago, and I have reached back to Pakistan. Moreover, I usually face too much problems from planning side, because planning department is totally different from execution department.
Yes.
The whole shutdown execution schedule is being prepared by the planning engineers. While we execute the job, especially the shutdowns, I face many you can discrepancies or the gaps between what I think and what the planning engineer thinks. If I think a heat exchanger can be overhauled within, you can say XYZ man hours, and the planning engineer is suggesting different man hours. So I am answerable to the client always. So that's why I'm interested in doing the P6 and start scheduling myself the all shutdowns. Also, the another reason is in execution, there are you can say after the shutdown manager you are stuck over there. You cannot be promoted more than that
Yes,
shutdown manager.
exactly. You're right. You need
And
managerial skills to get promotion as a project manager, a shutdown.
even I have given many interviews in Qatar, UAE, and different GCC countries. They always ask me, "Are you a certified P6, or do you know anything about P6, or you have you acquired in training?" So I always say No. So this is quite embarrassing for me.
No problem, no problem. Wish you all the best. You are experienced guy, and I hope that I'm going to explain a lot of things because this is going to be very amazing. And thank you for Zulfikar on board. So next, please, Mohammed Ahmed, can you please unmute your mic and tell me about yourself so that we can proceed to the next part of our session, please.
Thank you, Kasbhai. Myself, Mohammed Ahmed, and I have worked in a Punjab Information Technology Board previously, and currently I am working in a MEP organization. I was joined in the MEP organization for the purpose of project costing, but because as I am a PMP certified, so they consider me for the planning and scheduling also.
Okay.
And I didn't even did this job. I last time just when I was working in a FFC, fertilizer company, then I was spent there 2 years in a planning and scheduling. There I was a little bit work on a Primavera
Okay.
for shutdown planning. That was happening in 2 or 3 after 2 or 3 years, and I was also perform my responsibility in one of the shutdown. So I was just work there, but they enforced me that you have awareness about the Primavera and you should proceed with us in a planning and scheduling as well along with the costing.
Okay.
So that's why I was interested, because I didn't perform it on a professional level.
Okay.
So that's why I want to proceed it, because currently I'm working in MVP, and we are basically engineering consultancy. So that's why I need it.
Okay, welcome Mohammed Ahmed, and I wish you all the best. And next, please, Bilal. Bilal, can you hear me? And please unmute your mic and tell me about yourself as other people are sharing their profile.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वालेकुम एक्चुअली मैं इस वक्त ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ अगर डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं है तो मैं
No problem. It's real and clear voice. No problem. You can continue.
अच्छा एक्चुअली मैं एज अ सीनियर मैनेजर इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में कंपनी है टर्नोटेक जो कि मल्टीनेशनल है उसमें जॉब कर रहा हूँ बट ये है कि इन समहाउ समटाइम्स फील होता था कि ड्यूरिंग द प्लानिंग ऑफ एनी अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट सो फील होता था कि टू मच एक्सेल के ऊपर हमें काम करना पड़ता था तब जाके हम टाइमिंग और शेड्यूल वगैरह कस्टमर के साथ शेयर कर पाते थे तो काफी देर से मेरा प्लान था प्राइमावेरा को लेकिन ये है कि बीच में फिर गैप आ जाते थे तो अब के जब मेरे सामने लकीली वो आया आपका ऐड मैंने उसको क्लिक किया देन आई विल गो थ्रू सो I have decided to get more skills in my managerial post and for even for the presentation to our dear customers. So just to improve my skills and get more strength and grip on my work. This is my only goal to get this skill in my career.
Thank you, Mr. Bilal, and I wish you all the best कि आप पहले सीनियर इंजीनियर हैं, सीनियर मैनेजर हैं और आपसे भी बहुत कुछ सीखने का मौका मिलेगा. बहुत सारे हमारे एक्टिविटी सेशंस होंगे. You can suggest a lot of your experiences there. And thank you for joining. And next, please, Mujahid Mustaqim, can you please unmute your mic and tell me अपने बारे में बताइएगा, please, Mustaqim.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मुजाहिद मुस्कीम एयर जी. मैं एज अ डिप्टी मैनेजर काम कर रहा हूँ इस टाइम पंजाब रूरल म्यूनिसिपल सर्विसेज कंपनी में पाकिस्तान में.
Okay.
बट फ्यूचर में मैं स्विच करना चाह रहा हूँ कि ऐसे सऊदी अरेबिया में.
Okay.
तो उसके लिए मैं प्राइमावेरा की स्किल लेना चाह रहा हूँ. ये मेरा गोल है.
ओके, थैंक यू. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं सेशंस के अंदर. 80% लोगों का थोड़ा सा कंसर्न होता है और होना भी चाहिए गल्फ रीजन के अंदर कैरियर परस्यू करने का. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट्स रियलिस्टिक थिंग. आप मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लें क्या सैलरी का डिफरेंस होता है. सो दैट्स एब्सोल्यूट थिंग. सो नेक्स्ट प्लीज काविश प्लीज अनम्यूट योर माइक एंड टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
My name is Syed Mohammad Kavish. I have done my mechanical engineering from NIT University, batch 2022. I'm willing to do this course because I'm willing to move KC in future as a planning engineer.
Okay.
So मैंने
And
आपका ये
specific
ऐड
thing,
देखा था
किसने
इंस्टाग्राम
suggest किया
पे,
कि
तो
होता है ना
that's
हर
why.
बंदा यहाँ पे शेयर कर रहा है इन्फॉर्मेशन कि मैं इसलिए सीख रहा हूँ मैं some are senior managers they want to
जी
track their team and कुछ लोग बाहर जाना चाहते
yes
हैं आप
yes.
भी जाना चाहते हैं लेकिन किस चीज ने थोड़ा सा आपको कन्विंस किया कि यार यही राइट चीज है
As a planning as a planning engineer, currently I'm doing job at PepsiCo as a junior planner engineer. So they
Okay.
are also forcing me to do Primavera course. So that's the reason I'm in.
Okay. Thank you very much, Kavish, and I wish you all the best for amazing learnings and having good future in planning and control, specifically in
Inshallah.
this area. Okay. So next, please,
Thank you.
there is Hasnan. Only one guy. Please, can you unmute your mic? Yes, Hasnan. क्या हाल है?
बस सर क्या हाल है ठीक है तबीयत से ठीक है
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह,
आपकी
alhamdulillah.
जी सर मैं डिप्लोमा किया है डीए सिविल का इधर जंग से
Okay.
तो मैं यही देखे सर आपकी ऐड देखी है ठीक है और मैंने भी गल्फ रीजन में जाना है ठीक है तो वहाँ पे ये इसकी काफ़ी ज़्यादा मांग है प्राइमवेरा P6 की भाई भी बता रहे थे मुझे वो गल्फ रीजन में ही है इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर है उन्होंने बोला कि आप करें प्राइमवेरा P6 करें स्किल सीखें जितनी है आप अपने जो है डिप्लोमा के रिलेटेड जो भी है फील्ड में इस्तेमाल होती हैं तो इस वजह से सर
Okay, Ji, that's wonderful, and thank you very much for sharing your profile and all that, so that I can have a good idea कि जो आज की audience है, वो mix and match है. A lot of people are trying to pursue job career in GCC countries, and here my name is Engineer Waqas Ahmed. I was graduated back in 2010 from UET, and then I got my first job in UAE, Abu Dhabi, in oil and gas sector. I have already shared this information in my demo session, but again, because for the sake of the thing कि आप सब लोग अब एक enrolled session का है, so I will go into a little bit details ताकि थोड़ा सा मैं आपको एक perspective बता सकूं. Why skills are so much important? जब आप कहीं पे visit visa पे जाते हो ना, तो एक फ्रेशर के तौर पे माइंडसेट यही होता है कि आपको किसी भी तरीके से वहां पे नौकरी मिल जाए बिकॉज आपके उसके ऊपर इन्वेस्टमेंट होती है. ठीक है. विजिट वीजा के ऊपर पैसे लगे होते हैं फिर वापस आने का बहुत टेंशन होती है अगर नौकरी ना मिले. सो दैट हैपन टू मी एंड आई गॉट वन अपॉर्चुनिटी. वो वाली अपॉर्चुनिटी जो आप सोच लें इस तरह की होती है कि आप समझते हैं यार पहले पाँव जम जाएं, ये नौकरी मिल गई है दैट्स ग्रेट, लेकिन एक दफा पाँव जम गए फिर मैं अपने लिए कुछ ना कुछ अच्छी जॉब कर लूंगा. दैट हैपन टू मी एक्चुअली. So I got job in oil and gas sector, but not as an engineer. I was hired as an assistant engineer. You can see that a guy graduated from UET, one of the top institute from Pakistan, is working as an assistant engineer, and a lot of guys from like those guys are also from UET. They are working as an engineer. They are enjoying the facilities. So that thing pushed me a lot. And salary difference, the major thing, the major and real motivation pushed me a lot. क्योंकि obviously at the end of the month when you are getting salary, it is going to push you कि भाई मैं भी UET से हूँ, ये लोग भी UET से हैं, या आपका मतलब कोई इतना डिफरेंस नहीं होता. सो देन आई बजाय इसके कि आई मतलब डिसअपॉइंटमेंट को मैं एम्ब्रेस करता और मैं कहता कि नहीं यार यही मेरे किस्मत में है, आई स्टार्टेड नोइंग द थिंग्स with my university seniors who were at that time working in Saudi Arabia, my good friends who were working in good organizations. फिर उन लोगों से जो मेरी अपनी कंपनी या फिर क्लाइंट कंसल्टेंट साइड पे काम करते थे उनसे थोड़ी बहुत नेटवर्किंग करके गपशप लगा के पूछना. सो दैट हेल्प मी अलॉट कि मुझे क्या करना है. जब एज अ जॉब गोइंग प्रोफेशनल आप इस चीज के लिए वर्कआउट करते हो, होमवर्क करते हो कि मुझे अपने जॉब कैरियर को किस तरफ लेके जाना है, मार्केट के अंदर क्या बेनिफिट्स हो सकते हैं, सैलरी कहाँ पे मुझे अच्छे तरीके से मिलेगी, मेरी जॉब सिक्योरिटी कहाँ पे रहेगी, देन एक्चुअली यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट योर जॉब कैरियर डेवलपमेंट. So it took me like maybe 2 years to think about that, and I started learning things like Primavera P6. फिर अपनी कंपनी के अंदर सर्व करना शुरू किया. Then I got 5 to 6 job interview opportunities. I was selected in one of those job interview. That is also a long story. Then I was hired in Saudi Arabia in Aramco's sister company, National Petroleum Services, and then it is going like as a planning engineer and all that. So the major point in all this conversation was to learn about skills. जब दो चीजें आपको बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस क्रिएट करती हैं, आपकी एक ही क्लास के दो लड़के बहुत डिफरेंट सैलरी पे जा सकते हैं, only two things are going to make the difference, not CGPA, not exactly कि आपने किस यूनिवर्सिटी से इंजीनियरिंग किया है. Yes, at the start it is going to help you to get your first job, but with the passage of time, what are the two major things? आप अगर notebooks पास है तो ये चीजें प्लीज लिखिएगा. I want कि by the end of today's session you will have, you know, your ready-made notes that can help you in longer run. Okay, so the first thing was industry awareness. Industry awareness. And the second most important thing was skill development. When you get industry awareness, a lot of senior people are here and they will agree with me that industry awareness is the most important thing. And ये नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ पता है और आपने चुप करके अपने पास information रखनी है. You have to take action. You have to